Welcome on my YouTube channel. In today's video I'd like to show you top 10 rarely used HTML tags that you should definitely use. Create index.html file and open in VS Code editor. Simultaneously press Shift+1 and Tab. In body, I will add in total 10 comments to separate each tag, so it will be easier for you to understand and also easier for me while recording this video. First tag will be for create and bold text, but first create paragraph, type lorem ipsum generated text. Now in order to add bold text, type B and shift any part of text that you want it to be in bold font into B tag, and let's add the same B tag for more words in this text. By doing exactly the same, type B, opening tag, this is closing tag, and shift part of text inside the tag. Next step it is to save it by pressing Ctrl S. Open index.html file in browser of your choice. I use Google Chrome. Reload the page, and this is what you're gonna see. You will see lorem ipsum text with bold tag applied to only that words which I kept between opening and closing tag. Second tag, it is HR for thematic break in HTML page. That is basically the horizontal lines that separate content in HTML file. First of all, I will generate lorem ipsum text and add HR tag and copy it 2 more times for better visual understanding. Save it. Reload the page. 3 tags, I've kept one after another. Now I do feel that text is too small, so let's add a few lines of CSS so this text will be better visible. I will add style into index.html file because there is currently no need to create separate style.css file. For entire project, font size will be 30 pixels. Reload the page. Let's make this divider line thicker. In order to do that, type HR, height 10 pixels with bright background color and margin bottom 50 pixels. Save it. Reload the page. For divider, I did not use a separate class, so HTML treat each divider that it must be 10 pixel height and displayed in pink color. Let's do some changes to it. Near each HR, type class and add class slim. Copy it and paste it. Add one HR tag without any class. Reload the page. As you can see, 4 similar lines. So let's add CSS part to make these 3 lines slim and only line number 4 with height 10 pixels. In order to do that, copy class name slim, type dot height, inherit, and margin bottom 10 pixels. Reload the page. In tag number 3, I've included 3 another tags. First one for var that defines a variable in programming or in mathematical expression. In order to use a variable tag, type paragraph. Next, type var, add formula, and save it. And this is how mathematical formulas will be displayed. This could be used not only for math formulas. Next tag it is sub. That tag is used to add subscript text to the HTML document. This chemical composition will be displayed in correct way by using subscript text. Type paragraph, shift formula into paragraph, and type sub, closing tag, and shift number into this tag. Do exactly the same with each number that you wanted to be displayed in subscript. Now chemical formula displayed in correct way. Next it is similar tag but for superscript. This is gonna be the formula. I will use combination of variable tag as well as superscript text tag. Type var, copy-paste formula and add superscript tag. Shift this number inside the tag and save it. Reload the page. Next, I'll show how to use mark tag as well as abbreviation tag. Type paragraph, add tag mark. Everything what will be added in between this tag will be highlighted. Here will be added hypertext markup language. Text is highlighted. Next, we'll use abbreviation. Type abbr. Add title that will be displayed on hover and type short version HTML. I've added more text, and next let's try to use the same mark tag one more time. So type mark and add more words that will be highlighted. Reload the page. This is how it's gonna look. Text is highlighted where a mark tag used and abbreviation displayed. Code tag that is used to define a piece of computer code displayed in monospace font. In order to add that, choose paragraph tag, text that contain computer code. In this case, it is meta-char set as well as HTML. In order to make it more visible, type code and shift text that you want it to be displayed in monospace font inside the tag. And let's add one more time. Type code and HTML will be also displayed in monospace font. After reloading the page, it is easy to understand where is used monospace font and where is used regular font. This makes reading of technical documents much easier. Next, tag for blockquote. That is element that indicates that the enclosed text is an extended quotation. Create paragraph, add blockquote and copy-paste quote that you want it to be displayed. Save it. And this is how it's going to be displayed after reloading the page. Next, two tags are used one after another. Tag figure, the element to mark up a photo in a document. I've added image, source, alternative display if image is not loaded, figcaption, that's the element to define the caption under the photo. After reloading the page, image displayed as well as description to the image. The details tag is used when you do not need to display in detail text all the time, but if user wants, user can click on it and expand the text and check it out. Type paragraph, add detail tag, generate lorem ipsum text, and add summary, which will be displayed near the triangle on which user can click to expand the text and to read more. Only summary text displayed, but when user click on this triangle, entire text visible, and if click again, no detailed text displayed. Next two tags used one after another. First one it is ordered list and second one that defines each item in list. First tag ordered list, type 1. Each item will be displayed starting from number 1, 2, 3 and further. And to define each listing item, added li tag. And this is how ordered list with list items displayed. And the last tag that I want to show you, it is opt group. This tag is used to group related options in select item, that is drop down list. Create form, add a label, select tag. First, opt group will have label stable coins and down will be listed options from which user can select. Second, opt group will have label memes tokens and also list of top 5 meme tokens from which user can select. Add input tag with type submit and value submit. Save it. Reload the page. When clicked on please select one, will be shown entire list from which user can choose Thank you for watching my video. Hopefully you found it useful. Please consider subscribing, press like button. If you have any comments, write it in comment section and I will reply on it.